Welcome to the Atlas VR and Roofers Indianapolis RoofSkills Academy. In this VR application, you will get familiar with welding and will have the chance to try it out yourself. We will begin here in the workshop, where you can practice using the hand welding tools that will be used later. Pick up the objects on the table and try them out. You can turn the heat gun on and off by holding the button at the lower end. You can also switch the nozzles of the heat gun. Please note that you must never change the nozzles while the heat gun is turned on or still hot. Try everything out. In approximately 1 minute, you will automatically move on to the practical section. You are now on your first roof that needs to be welded. Your colleagues have already completed most of the work using the automatic welding machine. You now have to finish the remaining section manually. Pick up the heat gun on the ground to continue. Turn on the heat gun by holding the button at the lower end until the green circle is fully charged. The heat gun is warmed up and ready to use. Now pick up the hand roller. Now it's time to start welding. Move the heat gun to the highlighted area. Now move the hand roller to the high. Slowly pull the heat gun along the seam. At the same time, move the hand roller gently back and forth over the seam. Great job! You've successfully welded your first section of the roof. Would you like to learn more about your career options with us? Just complete the short survey to continue. Thank you. You've reached the end. Please take off the VR headset and pass it on to the next person.